Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Error Code 2016-4021. This error comes when users try to loan virtual game cards. Normally the error appears during the game startup, but in some cases it also shows up when the loaning process fails. According to our research, the error is caused by a regional mismatch between the borrowed game and the borrowing console. Or some other factors may also cause this error. First, restart your console and check if the error still comes. If the error still appears, then check if your Nintendo console has any pending updates. If so, then install the pending update and try again. If the issue continues, then check if the person you're loaning the game to has their console set to a different region. If yes, that may be the reason for the error. At last, if nothing helps, then you should contact Nintendo support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.